Today's video, we are unboxing and testing out the DJI J53 True Wireless Earbuds. What I'm most excited about these is the size of the driver. I was just researching on Amazon a little bit for these, and it's a 16mm driver. The Soundcore earbuds that I use now that I've had for 3 or 4 years that just won't seem to die, which is why I still have them. I really like the sound out of those. They only have a 10mm driver. 16 is gonna feel really bassy, I hope. And these are also IPX7 rated, so waterproof. Battery life sounds pretty good. It sounds like they will play 8 hours and then they have to go back into the case, and then the case will charge them for 32 hours or 40 hours. So, I mean, basically you plug these things in once a week or less and you're good to go. I wear earbuds every day, and if I can upgrade my earbuds to something that sounds better, charges better, and just feels good, then that's gonna be a big positive thing for me. So we're gonna find out who this product is for, and I'm gonna really be honest about whether I like them or not. The other thing I really like is, if you guys take a look at the link down below and just click that for a second, the price on these things, if they are half as good as the earbuds that I have now, whew, definitely worth it. So a couple things that we're gonna be trying out today is I wanna see how they feel in my ear. I wanna make sure that they sound as good as I hope that they do. We're gonna test to make sure that they're comfortable. We're gonna see if they support different sizes of ears, because what fits me may not fit y'all at home. When I was on Amazon, the other thing that I noticed that was pretty cool is I can order these right now, same day, and I can have them delivered to the house here in like 3 hours. So anyways, you can get these right now. The link is down below, but that's enough of that. Let's get into the unboxing. Ooh, there's accessories in the top. This must be the actual case of the earbuds right here. Whoa, it's like a high gloss, almost reflective, like a piano black. This looks awesome. And it's a lot smaller than the case that I have now. It's got like a little button or something on the front, and then the top. So let's just open the case here. Wow, there they are. Oh, 100%. It's got the charge right there on the front screen. So before we take these out, I'm gonna just glance at the instructions to see how we sync these up to the phone. And I also wanna see what the accessories are in the box. But great packaging. It's like, feels like I'm opening an iPhone. And for the price of this thing, you guys, you gotta be kidding me. I don't know how you made these for this price, but if they sound as good as they feel, you guys did it. So according to the instructions, if we just open the lid and they haven't been synced yet, it's gonna be discoverable. So I'm gonna pull out my phone. Hey Siri, where are you? How did you get over there, Siri? Okay, so I've got my iPhone and I started the screen record. I'm gonna swipe down, go to right here, the connections, tap Bluetooth, and then down near the bottom, we're gonna take a look at Bluetooth settings. Tap on Bluetooth settings, scroll to the bottom, and we're gonna open the lid now and see how long it takes to be discoverable. And this is like more of a test of the phone, really. Oh, that's not it. There they are, J53. That took like 3 seconds. Tap J53, boom, and it says that they are connected already. Cool, let's try these out. Nice. Really light. It's like kind of a carbon graphite-y little feel to them. Very smooth. They look really cool. Okay. They have noise. They can't call it noise canceling. I think that they call it noise something else, but cool. Okay, so I got them in my ear. I feel like they're in there pretty good. Nice. Let's listen to some jams here. I think they sound pretty good. Sorry if I'm yelling. It's just, they're pretty loud. Maybe we'll turn it down a little bit. Sorry if I'm yelling a little bit. It sounds pretty good. These are sub $20 earbuds, you guys. Sub $20. Great presentation, long battery life, at least advertised. Let's turn it all the way up. Here we go. Okay, so I'm back. And a couple of initial thoughts. I did actually, so I just want to show you what I've been listening to for the last 3 or so years. These are the Soundcore Life .3 eyes, and I don't remember what I paid for them, but they're like 3 years old. They have, they're a different style of earbud than these are. And you can tell they are a little bit worn. They have the cups. These don't have the silicone cups or anything. So I noticed that I just went outside for a walk and tried both, kind of in like, a side-by-side or whatever. These earbuds, the J53s, feel so much lighter in my ears compared to what I've been listening to. And, the cases are similar in size as well. This is the Soundcore, this is the J53s. So here, I'll just set them all together. I never noticed until just now, but like they put a lot of pressure on my ear. They feel heavier. They're not nearly as comfortable as the J53s. And yeah, I didn't think that I was gonna be like trying out my next set of earbuds like forever, but like I actually really like these. I want to spend more time with them. Hey, stop and leave a comment down below right now if you're still using wired earbuds in 2026 like a caveman. They're sub 20 bucks. These are still, I'll put a link in the description down below. These are really, really great. They've lasted a long time. I use them basically every day, and they're not expensive. They're just not entry level like the J53s. The J53s are entry level pricing, but I would say that they perform pretty stinking well. And they're similar in shape and feel to the Apple AirPods. And so if you like that style and feel of earbud, these are going to be for you. So try these out, sub 20 bucks. Having said that, these anchors here are really, really great too. But I think I'm going to make the switch. So I'm switching over, everyone. I'm switching over to the J53s from DJI Rev. I want to try these out a little bit more thoroughly. I really like the quality of the sound, how quickly they connect. The battery life sounds great. They're very light in my ear, and I think that for right now, I think that for me, that's the biggest difference that I just noticed between the J53s and what I've been running. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time on these. So full disclosure here, I did try, there were instructions for using the side here for volume and tapping and pausing and things like that. And I couldn't really get it to work very well. I think what they're doing is, so there's no touchpad or anything back here. They're letting you rub your finger on the ribbing here. If you look really close, it's a kind of a ridge, and it makes a different sound if you go up versus down. And I think that they're using the microphone to pick up that subtle vibration and then using that to adjust the volume for you. I don't know if it's because I have facial hair or sideburns or whatever, but even when I tried the Apple AirPod Pros, I couldn't get any of the touch functions to work. So unless an earbud has a physical button like these Soundcores, the physical buttons don't really do anything for me, and I don't typically use them anyways, so it's not an issue for me. Let's do a microphone test. Before we're all done here, before we're all wrapped, let's do a microphone test. Okay, this is a microphone test of the DJI Rev J53s. Oops, I didn't mean to touch it. But this is maybe a little bit louder than my normal speaking voice. This is about the voice that I would speak with into this mic, and so we're going to come back to this microphone right now, same volume, same speaking level and everything else. And then we're going to cut back to the J53s in 3, 2, 1, boom. And then this is what these sound like. I don't know if there's an algorithm that it picks which microphone it picks up from. I think that there's 1 or 2 microphones per earbud, which is pretty cool. For the next test, I'm going to switch over to the other earbuds and we'll do another microphone test. Okay, so right now we're recording from the Soundcore Life .3 eyes. This is the internal microphone on these earbuds here. And this is about the speaking voice I think that I was using into the other microphone. I can tell from the waveform on my iPhone screen here as we record that these might be a little less sensitive. We're going to switch right now from these microphones to this DJI microphone that I'm wearing right here. And this is the one that you would normally hear on the majority of my videos. And this is what it sounds like. And right now we're going to switch from here back to these Soundcore earbuds right now. So this is what the Soundcore earbuds sound like. I can't hear the recording right now, so I don't have enough to tell the difference, but I'm sharing this with you in the edit so that you have the information that you need to make the best choice for you. I thought that these were pretty great in terms of how they felt, especially, and you're not going to beat the price on these, I don't think, anywhere. They're really, really good. So what did you think? Did the microphone sound better on these or on the Soundcores or on the DJI mic? You tell me, because I'd love to hear your opinion and what you guys think. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we unboxed and tested out the J53 earbuds from DJI Rev, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. There's a link in the description down below for these earbuds if you'd like to learn more about them. Right now on Amazon, at least at my house, I can get them delivered today by 3 p.m. That's pretty tough to beat. I don't even have to leave the house to get these sent right over right now. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you got anything from today's video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good one. Hey, what's the best sounding, longest lasting pair of wireless earbuds you've ever owned? Leave a comment down below.